So the project is the creation of a decentralized court. Smart contracts are really smart to execute what they've been designed for, but they're not as smart as to get information from outside the blockchain or to render subjective judgment. To tackle this issue, we propose to build a decentralized court which will be able to render those subjective judgments based on information from outside the blockchain. So, for example, if you want to buy something, you can make a contract for it and specify in the contract that the court can arbitrate if you have a dispute with the seller. So if something goes wrong, you will call the court. The court at first will give you some first instance arbitrator, and this arbitrator will review the case, give a first ruling, and if this ruling is not accepted by one of the parties, we will have a jury system where multiple people will review the case, they will vote on the case, and they have some incitation to vote honestly, because if their vote is incongruent with the other vote, they will lose some reputation tokens which are tied to the arbitration fee. So we have some again theoretic reason to have the parties behaving honestly. So we're not trying to build everything. We're just trying to build one brick, the court, to handle disputes. So for example, if you want to make some decentralized eBay competitor, you can build one and call the court to resolve the dispute between the buyer and the seller. If you want to create a decentralized version of freelancer.com, you can build one and also call the court to resolve the dispute between the freelancers and the employers. If you want to create decentralized insurance, you can also build one and call the court to resolve the dispute which can arise in those insurance contracts. So it's really a useful basic bricks. On the top of it, other system may be built. But it can also handle a simple case where just you want to buy something and you don't want to trust the people you're buying to. So right now the team is composed of computer scientists, business profile, startup profile. We are still searching for a legal profile and also for a front-end developer. So if you have some legal background and you're interested by the project, you're really free to contact us and to join the project. 5 weeks can be quite short for a project like that. So at the end of this 5 weeks, we expect to have the system ready for simple arbitration in the case of a buyer and seller. So Alice buying something to Bob, Bob not shipping the product, Alice calling the court, having a first instance arbitrator arbitrating the case, having a jury system arbitrating the case, which here will be the final ruling, and having all the reputation system to, at the end of the vote of the jury, changing the reputation of the jury according to the coherence of the vote between the jury members. So if you're interested by this project, you can either contact us to be part of it, you can support us by giving us some kudo or some HackerGold, and we're starting to build the decentralized world, and I think decentralized court is a really exciting way to change things. We are changing even the way the law can work. So it's quite new, wonderful, and it's quite an adventure. But if you think it's a nice one, you can join us and support us. Thank you.